RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. New truck today. The brushless version of the super popular 112 scale WLTOYS. 60 amp ESC, sweet brushless motor, metal gearing, and it looks super cool, so I'm really excited about this one. Been wanting to try it for quite some time, so I got this sent to me from my friends over at Hobbex. So here we go. We got the WLTOYS transmitter, which I like, USB charger, little wrench, and man, look at this. Look at those tires. I really like the blue one, the brushed one, but I think this looks even better. This looks really nice. Okay, so here we got the battery. Standard 2S, 2200 milliamp. Electronics, got a fan on top of the ESC, which is nice. On-off switch, brushless motor, not sure what kV that is, but it should be more than enough. Yeah, this is pretty sweet as well, the hood here. Metal chassis, metal dog bones. Yeah, it looks really good, and I really like these WLTOYS. This is a great platform, and I'm really looking forward to test this, see how fast it is. So I don't think I will bore you with any more of the details. All the info you would possibly want to know is available through the links down below. And yeah, I think we just will charge up the battery and head out and have some fun with it. Okay, so I've charged up the battery. I'm just going to give this a quick blast up and down the street here to see how it feels and get an idea of the top speed. I don't got my GPS with me, but I don't think that's really necessary. There's plenty of videos out there that shows you exactly how fast these are. And then I was thinking that we would have some fun with it. Whoa. Okay, it's fast. Like, super fast. Okay, so no cars coming. I don't know if sound picks up on camera, but and that's on the stock 2S battery. Yeah, it's fast. Like crazy fast. So let's do another pass. Oops. And then maybe go bashing with it instead. Full throttle. Okay, so let's take one on the way back. So I'm just going to do some bashing, maybe a little bashing montage here with my ramps in my backyard. Give this one a proper test here. See if I can abuse it and what it can handle. Already abused it a little bit, as you can see here. Tires. And yeah, see if I can hit the ramps in some decent speed. It can be a little tricky with these to hit it in high speed on grass. Hard to steer it right in the middle there, but I'll try, and yeah, let's have some fun with it.
I can see the skies. I can see the sky. See the sky. See the sky. Watch
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little bashing session there. So I had a lot of fun. This is certainly capable of bashing. Jump really high, do backflips, and yeah, whatever. And take some abuse as well, as you saw when I missed the ramp there. Maybe a little bent drive shaft, but nothing too serious. Just keeps rolling. Really like these. No cogging issues as the previous ones had. Maybe like the tiniest bit. Not even. So the V2 is really nice. Lots and lots of speed. No need for the 3S. Hard to control it even on 2S with all the power. But yeah, I really like it. So hope you liked the video. Check out the links below and make sure to subscribe.